Hi, we're going over body distortions, and there are 8. This is part 4, and this is from a book called The Body Image Workbook by Cash. And the distortion 4 that I'm going to talk about today is called the magnifying glass. And you're basically picking apart certain parts of your body and then really zoning in on skin or hair or nails even, or it could be your thighs, or sometimes in the workout world, they call this like spot treatment. You kind of want to just get rid of the belly fat or get rid of the thigh or whatever. And you really zone in on and you obsessively think about that certain part of your body. So I'm going to pick on weight. So you might obsessively weigh yourself every day or multiple times a day. And even a change in the weight from 4 to 5 pounds it rocks your world. It completely throws you to where your entire day is now around this weight, and you're unable to enjoy the dinner party. You're unable to fit in certain clothes, and you won't change your clothes size because then that is even more devastating. And it's this really vicious cycle that, well, my hair is fine, my face is fine, but my weight is a mess. And there's this magnifying glass on picking apart the experience of your body weight, and the behaviors to correct that can be disruptive. The starvation or the yo-yoing, and then your experience of hunger and satisfaction is skewed, and there's a triple effect of how your entire day is experienced. So pay attention if you're picking apart or if you're putting a certain part of your body under a magnifying glass, and what's that disrupting in your head? How is that disrupting the experience of how you feel or connect with other people? And maybe what wounds that are bringing up in your past. Stay tuned for some more. So far, we've done 4 distortions based upon the Body Image Workbook from Dr. Cash.